Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's Got This. Today we'll share some do-it-yourself home and auto tips. Let's dive in.
Bought a alright, show you this here. I bought a new bolt from Home Depot for my blade. Is this show you, this is the original. This is the replacement. And as you can see, this one, the new one, is longer. So if you use this bolt and put it in here with the washer and tighten that down to the 40 pounds, it will lock this clutch up, and you won't be able to pull on it at all. So that's what happened. This is the washer that was missing, so I had to get a new one. Figured I'd get new bolts, but didn't need it. So here's the bolt here. Put the washer in the right way, like kind of like that. Anyway, put that in there. Put that back in there. Gonna tighten it a little bit, and then use my torque wrench on it for 40 pounds. There we go. Piece of wood in here. It's gonna lock the blade. Just like that. Tighten that by hand. 40 pounds. Use a small extension. Just tighten her down till she clicks. Did you hear that? Hear that? That's sweet. That's 40 pounds. Alright, that's it. Push the blade back so you don't get the wood out. Pull the wood out. Straighten it back up. That's how you do it. You use the wrong parts from Home Depot, which is a Honda part, which was what it was listed and was listed in this manual. Just didn't work. And there you go. Quick video on the lawnmower that won't start if you use that. Oh, she does it now. Nice. All done.